Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to set up a stand in Please Donate on Roblox. So guys, before starting you have to first of all create a game pass on Roblox. So once you create the game pass, then you can go into Please Donate game and easily set up your stand for donations. So that's a nice way to earn Robux as well. So first of all guys, you have to open the Roblox app on your phone. So yeah, that's it. Open it. And if you haven't played yet, please donate. You can search it here and type PLS and donate. So so you can see that this is a please donate game. Just tap on it and tap on this play button. So now game will open here. So to continue guys, just tap on it to close this window. And now to set up guys, you have to look for any empty stand here. So you can see that there's some filled, or there are some already occupied stand, but you can see this is an empty stand, so I can claim this stand. So to set up a stand, just tap on this stand, hold this stand, and now you can see that it has been changed. It your game passes will be listed here. You can see that your game, all the game passes will be listed here. Also guys, you can do one thing here. uh, you have to hold this stand button again to edit. Now you can enter your message here. So like I'm gonna enter please donate some Robux. Fine. And now you can go back and tap on this apply button. So your message will be applied here, and at the bottom you will see that all the raised money will be updated here. So right now you can see next to my stand 133 Robux already raised. Yani he has earned 133 Robux already. And you can see that on stand next to me, it is saying that goal 70 750, please surprise me. So you can write such message that attracts the users to donate to your booth. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. And you can edit from here. And what you can do more, you can redeem as well. Yeah, that's it. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. Yeah, that's how you can set up your stand on Please Donate game. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.